The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then down towards the earth, sinking in the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. Floating down as you breathe out, like a gentle rain. Opening the door. The start of the journey. One more time, rising up. Softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up. They go up the midline of the body and then spiral. One spirals forward, the other behind. Coming back to center, rotating the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, coming up the center, gentle rotation. Breathing out one more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead and then spiral out and away. Silk reeling the upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, silk reeling the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms coming up and over. The fingertips point down, coming down the center, and then spiral out and away. Silk reeling the downward spirals. Breathing in and breathing out, spiraling the energy throughout the body. One more time, the downward spirals. And then circle in front, hugging the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. And then step out to the corner. The bottom hand tosses the moon, the other hand pushes down, and then circle it around again. Parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, parting the horse's mane. This time we'll catch the moon and then spin the moon, making two loose fists. Gently turn, one fist goes overhead, the other by the waist. And then coming back to center, catch the moon, spin the moon, look to the side or gently behind, making two loose fists. Breathing in and breathing out one more time, riding the tiger. And then parting the horse's mane one more time to this corner. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. The arms open up wide. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, step out to the corner. The bottom hand tosses the way right up towards the sky. The other hand down. And then circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time. This time, catch the moon, making two loose fists, spin the moon. Bottom fist comes up, the other one comes down as you gently turn. Then coming back to center, catch the moon, spin the moon, look to the side or gently behind without forcing it or straining. Just being kind to yourself. One more time, ride the tiger. And then parting the horse's mane one last time, right out to the corner. and then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Bottom hand comes up overhead, the other one down by the waist, right by the hip. And then circle it around again, catch the moon. Bottom hand comes up, the other one comes down, leaning over to the side going up. Then shifting the weight back to center. This time the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front, tapping down the toes. Bring it back in, catch the moon, step back out, white crane, spreads wings. Breathing in and breathing out one more time. And then from here, catch the moon and then spin the moon. So switching sides. Then the bottom hand comes up, the other hand comes down. Just the arms at first, once more, leaning over to the side going up. Bottom arm comes up, the other one by the hip. And this time, as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front. And then step back in, catch the moon, step back out, white crane spreads wings. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. And then step back in, catch the moon. From here, the arms open up wide, making two loose fists. One fist goes behind the neck, the other behind the lower back, gently turning. And then coming back to center, other side, drawing sabers. You don't have to turn very far, and the arms don't have to stretch too far either. Just really being kind to yourself, letting go of striving. One more time, drawing sabers. And then from here, both hands float all the way up and over and down, and then circle them all the way around and hug the tree right out in front. From here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. And then this hand pushes down, the other one waves in towards the heart as you soften. Rising back up, pushing down and waving in. Breathing in and breathing out one more time. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, the bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. And once again, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. Keep on breathing. Feeling the sensations, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, brush knee and push. And then this time, the front hand makes a loose fist. Draw it right in towards the hip. The other hand comes up and over. Push down, brush knee, punch low. And then reverse direction, draw the fist in. Bottom hand comes up and over, punching low. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in. As you soften, rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. Just really tuning into the body, just going for the ride, letting go of judgment, just feeling the flow. One more time, brush knee and push. This time, the front hand makes a loose fist, draw it right in towards the hip. The other hand comes up and over, brush knee, and then punch low. Draw back in, Circle it around. We call this one punching low. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down. And then drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, play the pipa. And then step in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the arms float all the way up overhead, making the tiger claws. And then coming down, scooping up the energy from the earth, bring it up the center, and then release, the tiger squat. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably. Once again, being kind to yourself, please. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, the tiger squat. And then round out, hugging the tree right out in front. Step the foot in a little bit closer. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand drops down, toss away. The hand waves in towards the center and then pushes forward. Repulsing the monkey. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in, press forward. Calming the monkey mind. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. Repulse monkey. This time both hands float over to the side. They drift down and then float up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. From here, the palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. All right, one more time. Breathing in and breathing out. And then the arms float all the way up and over like a big wave, the Chen circles. Opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints. All right, one more time. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up to shoulder height, palms face away. The hands drift across, making nice gentle brush strokes. Painting on the canvas. Floating up, drift across. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float up and over, the Chen circles. Just coming up as much as you can comfortably. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the Chen circles. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. And from here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. And then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body. Going all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, Softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. We can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.